Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Dancehall.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skiller. So, do you remember of a surveillance video that has been circulating on social media that is said to be from a pharmacy that is located in Montego, St. James, Jamaica? Well, in that video, it is said that a lady stole a little girl's phone. Well, I have a voice note of the lady explaining herself because she's now unemployed as she has been asked to resign due to the fact of this incident what happened. She has been fired basically, and she's now explaining what happened. She used to work for the security company that is known as King Alarm. That is what has been said. But anyway, viewers and subscribers, I'm gonna play the voice note of what she said had happened or how she come to the this thing that is known as the phone that belongs to a girl. All right, observe.
So I went to the pharmacy to buy the envelope, the nearest pharmacy. However, I go in at the pharmacy and I take up the envelope, which are 2 envelopes I take up. When I reach a cashier, I say I 2 envelopes I take up. So I put down one on the counter and go put down one in the aisle, which spot I take the envelope from. So me now cash the envelope and take up the phone and the envelope. So you can see say the phone and the envelope they're the same place. So me take my phone because it's a Samsung phone. So I never really observe because 3 of them, the one place me think I made it put on my phone along with the envelope. So I take up the both of them and come out of the place. Me go Knoxford, me go bookstore, me go...
Well, viewers and subscribers, that's her explaining as to what have happened, you know. The good thing about it is that the phone has been returned. The little girl got back her phone. And that's a good thing about it, you see me? However, viewers and subscribers, you know, a lot of damage has been done. So, anyways, that's not even the point about this right about now. The point is that she explained, and I'm bringing to you, my viewers and subscribers, for you to tell me what you think. Is it that she's telling the truth, or is it that she's just making up a story or something? Is it really and truly a misunderstanding or what? You see me, as a viewers and subscribers, you tell me what you think. You just hear what she said, and at the starting of the video, I just give you a little clipping of the video itself so that you see what had happened that day at the pharmacy in Montego Bay. Alright? So anyways, viewers and subscribers, until next time, my name is Seriousskilla. On a big up on yourself. You see it?